Howdy everyone, hey, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments, and I'm at the Peregrine in Las Colinas. It's the Peregrine in Las Colinas. Hey, this is their 2-bedroom. They didn't have an actual model, so this is their 2-bedroom open. Boy, it's really pretty. We're gonna just walk it a little bit. So let's take a look. This is super, super pretty. Look at this kitchen. Look at the 4 doors on the fridge. Just love this feel. And look at this. It's just so pretty. I love the backsplash that's here. It's a really nice kind of white beveled backsplash. And that's really, really pretty. Look at this island. The island's gorgeous. We've got some quartz here. And it's got just a gorgeous feel. It's really big. I love the lighting that's here. I love all the lighting in the ceiling. Super, super important. And then look, you've got a really pretty living room area here too. Perfect for a couch there, maybe a couple chairs by the window. Really nice feel. And then look at this. This is a great balcony, and you've got this all happening right here. Cool. So this is a balcony that faces the outside. We took some videos. Here's the balcony. Wow, big, big. So you can put a table and a couple of chairs. You've got, this is the area that it's facing. It's really nice. It's just some land. It's a quiet area. You don't have a ton of apartments all around you, so it's a great, great area. You're going to enjoy and have privacy, you know, when you're in your apartment. So this is what it looks like here. We're going to do one more video. We're going to look inside the bedrooms and take a look at those in just a minute. Hey, if you have questions about anything you're seeing, or if you just want more information about moving to Dallas, the best areas for Dallas, I want you to text me and say hi. I want you to use my service because I'm going to save you time, and I'm going to eliminate the stress, and I'm going to get you that best deal so that you can easily tour these apartments, get your best deal, and move in, and it'll be 100% free. I look forward to hearing from you, so send me that text anytime. Hey, watch the next video because it's going to be fun. We're going to go into the bedrooms and take a look at those. Let's do that right now.